So if you've been following my videos recently on the Turan, I've recently fitted a new tandem pump, a lift pump, and I've still been having problems with it cutting out. So what I did in the end was I just got some R9 and ran it directly from the tank into the tandem pump and back. I went on a long 100-mile drive yesterday. I had no problems at all. So I believe the issue was with the fuel filter. So I could have replaced it with a like for like, but I wanted one that I could sit like a water separator, so I could drain the water out of it. So I've actually went for a marine fuel filter. So obviously your water will collect in there and you can just turn the valve and drain it. So I'm just going to find somewhere to mount it, and yeah, that'll be the new filter for it. I need to make sure all the fittings are correct as well, the right size and everything. So yeah, so that's what I've got. Right, I've managed to fashion a kind of a bracket of sorts. It's not ideal, but that'll do for now. At least it's not gonna go anywhere. I'm gonna find an R bracket for it at some stage. Okay. So this is the feed one here. So it needs to go there. Cut it here. I thought that was gonna fucking be harder to do. See what happens, eh? See if it fucking runs alright. Hopefully it doesn't leak. That's a good sign, eh? Just give it a tight end or something else too. Oh, more weeks, that should do it. Let's get these tidied up a bit. And we're good to go.